the SVT Lightning truck.
Raider.
Alright, so here we have the 2-valve right here. We're letting it warm up before we take off and go meet up our boy Abraham with this SVT Lightning. We got the Lightning over here getting washed up for the owner right here. Hopefully a little foam cannon action. Shout out to Killer Hand Car Wash on Chestnut and McKinley. Thing looks stupid clean, rolling. And coffee looks popping for sure. But here we have it right here, the little duo right here with the SVT Lightning truck, both silver combination, and the boys DHG Mach 1. Shout out Chris SVT, the man himself. This is clean Sonic Blue SVT Lightning. Thing looks amazing. For sure should get a photo shoot with this one. All three of them actually. But damn, some more SVT Lightning content right here. This lightning action right here. Damn. Damn. Clean interior. 50K miles on it. Really dope. SVT Lightning.
Sooner or later.
Damn. Right here pulling up to the main stage. A lot of nice cars. It's packed today. Shout out Maya Cinemas right here, allowing this to happen. Damn, clean GTR right here on bags. It's crazy. 64 right here. Looks cherry. We have another Shelby right here, twin turbo, 2,000 wheel horsepower. Damn. See one right there.
He said that he was only able to push like
another one right there.
pounds of boost when it's capable of 40.
Damn, this is a crazy setup. Shout out Chemical Guys. What is this?
Some air freshener for the Lightning. It doesn't smell like fucking exhaust fumes.
Making some purchases or what?
Oh my god.
Damn.
Wow. So you won't smell like beer, bro?
Sheesh.
Is that best of show?
I think so. Best of show?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Dope. Clean Chevelle. Damn. Clean. That's a dope color right here. Nardo gray. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, so right now we are on our way to another spot to go check out the Lightning, give it maybe a little schematics to check it out, and you know, just dope location for pictures. Maybe I get some shots of my car and the boys over here that we're rolling with. So we'll catch you guys right now right there. Got the boys over here filling up. Got the boy Lonely in the house. About to go to this dope location right now. Filling up really quick. Alright, so we're pulling up to this other location right here. This is pretty much like an abandoned warehouse where a lot of people just, you know, do some crazy burnouts and stuff like that. And Pretty much just gonna see if we can try to get a little like photo shoot here. This is it right here. A lot of people are gonna do some burnouts and shit. Sheesh. Got the boy Yogi right here, giving the Lightning a photo shoot. Dope location for sure. Want to get a photo shoot here, maybe sunset hour with my car.
Oh yeah, subscribe to Oscar too.
Yeah, but if you're ever doing donuts,
Yeah.
Subscribe to Oscar too now.
Hey, hell yeah, hell yeah. Alrighty, so right now we're heading home. We're gonna go shower up, chill a little bit. Later today in the evening when it cools
Subscribe
down.
to Oscar too, Val.
Oh hell yeah.
Subscribe.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Comment, like.
Yes sir, you heard the man. But we're gonna hit up a meet later down the road, or later today pretty much. I don't know if it's if we're gonna hit a cruise or a meet later today, and just see what happens, you know. See if we can get some more content out there and just chill.
2 hours later.
Alrighty guys, so we are going to the next, I guess, event, which is a big car cruise that one of our buddies hosted, and we're pretty much just gonna pull up there and see how it is, and you know, pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of cars here. Alrighty guys, so we are about to pull up. We already see a lot of cars over here.
Vlog on vlog exception.
My bad.
we're waiting on you.
My bad, my bad. Alright, so here we have the guy that hosted the meet right here, Phil me, Hugo.
Yes, and we're all waiting for the man of the hour.
Oh.
We're leaving an hour late.
My bad, my bad, my bad. We're a little late. My bad. I swear it wasn't on purpose.
Put a shit rolling right now, baby.
It takes so long you can't even record all the cars.
I know, right? Fuck. Well, we're about to get it popping. We're about to go. Let's get it. Damn. Got the boy right here, Project 2V in the house. About to roll out. Yee! Candy right here. Hold on. I haven't seen this man in a minute, man. What's up, man? What's up?
Bro, you're really grinding on that YouTube shit, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
Show some love, shout out, man.
Yo, what's up, man? Oscar 2V here.
Yeah, I'll
Give it
put
a follow if
the
you want.
information down here so you guys can give me some love.
Appreciate
Hey,
it.
Be safe on the drive, bro.
Yeah, you too, bro. You guys too. Follow right here, Scotty Vlogs, The Scatty, everything right here.
Yes, sir. Collabs coming soon.
Yes,
bro.
sir. Let's do it, man. Much love. We got gas. We gotta stop.
This man's gotta chill, bud.
car is gonna be packed.
Damn, what is that boy? Boy, filling up.
Jeez, look at that wrap right down this 5.0. It's fucking clean. Man, the CTSV right here going crazy. Great lid turnout. We got the cappers right here.
You got ACLs here. Yeah, right at least.
Some dope cars out here. Jeez, got the boy. So what's good, my boy? So, good. Just chilling. Boy, the owner of this one right here. Beautiful Z. Damn. You guys see the lineup right here? Crazy. Dope amount of people. They're cool with it. Hella cars. There's not even any parking anymore. I know, bro. But you know, it's packed. Shout out right here to local YouTubers, bro. The Scatty Vlogs, On Point Media, Oh Envy, Feel Me Hugo. Everybody showing love out here, baby. Everybody. Yes, sir. 5.0? He went. Hey, if my
Don't have mission to come up this hill, boy.
I know, right? If my car don't start, I'm gonna just push her down this hill. Fuck it.
For the vlog.
You guys see the vibes out here. Beautiful view, never gets old. We're always out here with my boys and everything, but man, this view never gets old with the sunset. For sure need a photo shoot out here. They blew the ears off my speaker probably don't work no more. Alright guys, we're gonna pull up to another location right now where a lot of people post up at.